Hi there, welcome to Huson DIY. My name's Ben. This is day 20 of the 25-day advent calendar from the Brew company. Okay, so day 20, December the 20th, we are going to Bolivia. Where even is Bolivia, actually? Let's have a look at the map. There's a nice little map on the side, actually. It shows you where all the countries are. Bolivia. Also, it's kind of South America, but like the west side of South America. Just above Argentina, if I'm not mistaken. So, maybe a colder climate, perhaps. Not sure if that feeds into the Bolivian coffee bean. So this is intensity of 3 out of 5. We've got a medium roast, high acidity, plum, red apple, and muscovado sugar taste notes. Blooming heck. So yeah. So it says, our Bolivia Union ProAgro tells a powerful story of empowerment and social progress as women in the region took ownership of their coffee production through the Café Femenino Program. This exceptional coffee offers a refined and well-balanced flavor profile with pleasant sweetness and delicate notes of apple, sugar and citrus. So again, it'll be a fruity one. It's high acidity, similar to El Salvador, which were yesterday. El Salvador being... Where's El Salvador? Yesterday's. It's not even on the map. It's not even on the map. But yeah, let's try the Bolivia. Let's get grinding, let's get pressing, let's get tasting and see what it's like. Okay, so here we go with the coffee from Bolivia. Day 20, December the 20th. Let's give this a go. Whoa. This is a big punch up front. That high acidity, you can get that really straight away. And it's, let me go again with the taste. It's fruity. It says plum, red apple and muscovado sugar. It is quite a sweet taste. I'm not really getting the plum and red apple taste, but there's definitely a fruitiness straight away, like right up front. But it's nice. Very similar to the El Salvador. Not as bitter as that El Salvador, just thinking back to yesterday. But it's nice. It's fruity, it's quite sweet. It's definitely got the high acidity, you can taste that. But it's nice. Again, similar to El Salvador, probably top 10. Maybe not breaking into the top 5, but I think it's, for me, a better taste than the El Salvador from yesterday. So maybe that, if El Salvador was 10, that'd be 9 type thing. But it's nice. I think I'll better drink that full press. Yeah, I like it. I do like that. That's a nice coffee. Top 10, maybe 8th out of the 25, well the 20 I've done so far. So yeah, so that's day 20 done, Bolivia done. Another nice coffee, nicer than some of them we've had definitely. So you can get this coffee and all the other coffees I've done so far, plus you can get the advent calendar obviously on the Brew company website. But if you check below in the description, there are discount codes available for the Brew company website. So if you want to grab some coffee for yourself with a discount, please use those codes, feel free. Also the coffee press and the grinder that I've used, there's links below to Amazon for those as well. I keep saying this every day. The coffee press especially is really nice, really liking the look of that, and looks really cool on our new scaffold board shelves, which I will link to actually. I've done a video recently on the new scaffold board shelves and how we made them, so I'll link up here somewhere to that video. So yeah, links are below for those if you want to grab some. If you like the video, please do give it a thumbs up. If you haven't for any reason, give it a thumbs down. Let me know in the comment section why. If you've got any questions about the coffee press, the grinder, anything, me, whatever you want to ask, please ask in the comment section. I will reply to all questions and comments. And if you want to follow the next 5 days, only 5 days left now, the advent calendar. If you want to follow that journey along and also other Huson DIY projects, hit that subscribe button and we'll see you on the next one.